welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the daily goodie box. That is Layla over here. Yeah, today we're gonna open November's daily goodie box right here. I still have the other dead things over here on the back. Daily goodie box is a free sample subscription box that you can qualify if you review the items that are included in each of the boxes every single month. Down in the description will be the link to where you can find daily goodie box and subscribe to them, or like sign up for them to get a free, absolutely free, almost all full-size samples. I do this every month. And also the link to my Facebook and my Instagram. Might as well go there and like and follow me and all that good stuff. And don't forget to subscribe here, ring the little bell to notify you when I have a new video, and like this video if you like these kinds of videos, and I can do them again if it yeah. So we're going to sit, Layla. We're going to sit. Yeah. And we're gonna open daily goodie box for the month of November. December's almost here. Yeah. It feels heavy right there. The usual. Review the items and qualify for more. The next thing, you already know. If you don't know, I like to surprise myself. And ooh, WOLO. Oh, I've tasted these before. I think I've from them as well, from Daily Goodie Box. Look at WOLO, like WOLO. It's a protein WanderBar. This is peanut butter road tripper. These are delicious. I have tasted these. I barely drink my coffee right now. Peanut butter road tripper, 16 grams of protein, 4 grams of sugar, and gluten free. Vitamin C, zinc, turmeric, soy free, and GF. These are really good. I do recommend for you guys that do protein bars and things like that. This is really helpful. Layla's just moving on my thing. Okay, the next, because Frutati hard candy. What? Hard candy assortment: blueberry, zuzu, pineapple, passion fruit, green apple, mango, artificially flavored candy. And the baggie is pretty big. Look at that. Excuse my nails. And it says no GMO. Let's give it a taste because it's a candy. I think this is the first time or the second time they include. Oh, that's nice. Look it. They come in individually wrapped in an individually wrapped thing. Let's see. Does it have pineapple, passion fruit? This is the one I wanted to taste. Yeah. Oh, look. There's the little packaging for this one. This is a hard candy. Looks like a little hulls. Yummy. Oh my god. Here comes the passion fruit. Pineapple. Delicious. It is very hard. They do get the hard candy. Also, down in the description box will be the link to every single item that is in this box. If you particularly like one, then you can go ahead and buy it yourself. The third thing right here says Kebela Bath and Beauty, enriched with natural ingredients, exfoliating pumpkin seed cream scrub. I love pumpkin seed cream scrub. It's an exfoliating cream thing for your face. I have tried the Kebela brand before for foot masks. Yeah, and they do wonders. They're very nice. Nice one. Oh, voila. Okay, this is a pumpkin seed cream scrub for your face, I'm thinking. Two more. This is refining 2-in-1 coffee scrub and mud mask. Oh, and the third one is energizing lime and mint gel scrub and peel mask. Oh, okay. This is a mask, and these two are scrub cream. Pumpkin is for exfoliating, coffee and mud max is for refining, gel scrub and peel max, lime and mint is for energizing. All from Le Kebela or Kebella candy sample. The next thing here, oh my god, what is that? Hydralyte. Clinical hydration, rapid results, rapidly replaces fluids and electrolytes. Orange flavor with other natural flavors. Electrolyte solution. Okay, this is like a... I forgot the word in English. Suero, if you understand Spanish. Electrolyte solution is like maybe you're choking on your spit or the candy. Not good for if you're going dehydration. This can pump you up. This is really nice. I never seen this kind of a brand. The next thing here. Ooh, it's a Susan Brown's Baby Natural Sensitive Baby Diaper Therapy Cream. Paraben and polymer free. Look at this. This is a good size diaper rash kind of a cream. I never see this one. I like their logo. We still use diapers. Layla is one, but she still uses diapers. So we surely need one of these, and we surely will try it out. Now I like that it says natural. Susan Brown's Baby Natural Sensitive Baby. This one, I like also that it comes in this like shrinkable thing here. I don't know. It's a shrinkable paper, wrapped plastic. Cause sometimes I don't know, because of the shipment, they pop out if they don't have a lid or they don't come in a little baggie. They come all like they put themselves, and I don't like that. Okay, the next thing. Woo! Oh my gosh. Kitchen. Here we go. Sir Kensington. What? Pizza ranch. Oh, my husband is gonna like this. Ranch and pizza together. What? Yeah. Pizza ranch with 100% sunflower oil, no GMO dressing and dip. No sugar, no dairy, uncommonly tasty. It looks good. Look at that. It's a full size. I'm thinking they probably have bigger than this. This is a 9 flour ounces item. Pizza and ranch. Yum. Probably gonna love it. Then I use this other love thing. That is a surprise. Like a Kinder egg. Is it Teaonic? My God, MOJO digestion. Aloe leaf, cinnamon, cranberry, hibiscus, lemon, ginger, herbal wellness shot. What? This is like the 5-hour energy shot, I'm thinking. And this one is for 25% juice. Shake well. Cranberry, cinnamon, ginger. Tastes best cold, organic, vegan, gluten-free, USD organic, herbal wellness shot. It says it's just 2 flour ounces, but the bottle is glass. so it makes it look like those antique medicines, but it's like an hour, like an energy drink, an energy shot. Very nice. I never seen that kind of thing. And the last thing in the box, besides the infomercials and the little shenanigans that talk about the items, is this little free, it is free, but it's fresh. Peppermint help fight plaque, freshness, breath. Plant-based toothpaste, green goo, natural body care for your harmful chemicals, for your harmful carrageenan. It's a little sample of toothpaste. We had tried one before of this. That my husband actually, I'm eating the candy while I'm talking. I'm sorry. Liked that he said that he had a toothache, and the toothache kind of went away with that toothpaste. It's not this one, but I'm just telling you. This was another one. It's also natural. It's no chemicals, no nothing in there. Nice little sample size. And yeah, that is all. I think today my best, my favorite one has to be the mask, because who doesn't love masks? This is my first one that I like. The energy thing, the electrolyte drink is also cool. The pizza and ranch, my husband will obviously love. This one is very interesting. He's probably gonna like it. My second best favorite, I would think, is a diaper therapy cream for Layla. And the bar here, the WOLO peanut butter bar, I've tasted. This tastes delicious. Do recommend. And my third favorite, almost number one favorite, it's the little fruit candy that is super delicious. The one I got for the grapefruit and pineapple was delicious. Let's try the blueberry zuzu. What's zuzu? I have no idea what zuzu. They're also white. Delicious. Yep. well, that is all that I have for you guys today for the unboxing of the Daily Goodie Box. Remember, down in the description box will be all the links to every item in the box. Jogging on my spit. And the links to where you can find me on my social media. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And if you did, thank you very much. And I will see you next time. Goodbye. I shouldn't do that. Bye-bye.